Hello guys, welcome back to on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how we can download S7-1200 PLC backup through remote desktop session. So we can upload this PLC backup only with TIA portal. So I will show you how we can upload. First I will show you that remote desktop IP address, because our PLC's IP address is different and remote desktop IP is different. So before also I explain this, if our engineering station and our PLC communicating together with local network, then we can upload remotely. So let's start. I will open tier 19 because our PLC have tier 19 project file. Let's create a new project. Assign the name. I will put uploaded. Change the location where you want to save this uploaded backup. Then click on create. So click on uploaded and you can see here extended go online is disabled. This option will upload, and first we'll go online with PLC. For that need to create the hardware of PLC. So we'll add new device and we'll add S7-1200 CPU, same model which is available in our machine. So version you can put any, if you know the exact version you can put. Here asking security setting, I will disable, no need, and finish. Click on finish. Now we'll create Profi network, we'll add subnet, then we'll set up the IP address. So we'll add subnetwork. Now we'll set IP address. Need to assign the gateway. So now I will add IO card. Our PLC have only one IO card. If you have more than one IO card, you can skip that. You can upload hardware as well. So I have only one IO card, so I will add it. So my IO card is 8 into 8 digital input, digital output. So now we'll go online with this PLC. So need to go in online option and click on extended go online. So guys, you can see now I am online with my PLC. So asking for trusted device, so connect it. So guys, now we are online with my PLC. So you can see here showing online backup. This backup still not in our project file. So now we'll upload this backup. You can see all FC, FB, DB available online. So right click on PLC, click on upload to device. Now click on continue, then upload from device. Now started to upload. So guys, you can see all program FC, FB, DBs, OB already uploaded. Hardware also healthy, software also completely healthy. We'll check with online you can monitor or not. So you guys can see we can monitor also program logic. We'll check randomly FC, FB and DBs and we'll go online. So you can see in DB all values are updating. Another FC also. Live data updating now. Remember guys, first before upload you should know your PLC IP address and gateway. So then you can upload. So after upload must be compile your project. Maybe some error in your project file. So need to clear that error. So after compile it's giving error. So we'll sort out this error. I will show you how you can sort out. We'll compile again and we'll see a error, what error coming and how we can go on that error area. I will show you now. Again I will compile. So you can see it's asking for password. Just click on that green arrow and give full access. Then I need to compile again. So guys, you can see after compile no more error, just warnings. Warning, no issue. We'll go online again. Now it's showing some difference in program. So we'll upload again. So right click on PLC, upload to device, continue, upload from device. So guys, you can see everything is okay now. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Bye bye.